Welcome to How to Draw Anything. Today we're drawing a flower in 8 simple steps. Grab a pencil and some paper, and let's go. Step 1. Start big shapes. Begin by drawing a vertical oval where the center of the daisy will be. Then create ellipse shapes radiating around this oval for the flower petals. Keep your lines light, since these are just guiding shapes. Step 2. Mark proportions. Now let's add a long vertical line that defines the stem's position. Extend this line up through the top of the flower's central oval. It will help us maintain the flower's symmetry and balance. Step 3. Outline contour. Using the guidelines, carefully trace a clean outline around each petal, making them look more like natural daisy petals. Also, outline the central disc to maintain a circular shape that's slightly bumpy for texture. Step 4. Place features. Let's add some details to the petals. Carefully draw light lines from the base to the tip of each petal for the veins. These lines should match the natural curve and balance of each petal. Step 5. Add details. In the center of the daisy, add small lines or dots to create texture and give the flower a more lifelike appearance. These tiny details help simulate the natural look of a daisy's central disc. Step 6. Finalize line weight. Finally, go over the entire drawing with a firmer pencil stroke to emphasize the main shapes and details. Make your final outlines more pronounced, especially the outer edges and veins of each petal, as well as the center. Step 7. Add tone and shade. Time to learn tone. Decide where your light comes from and imagine it shining from the top left. Now shade the opposite side with the side of your pencil in soft, even layers. Shading is what makes your drawing feel round instead of flat. Step 8. Finishing touches. The last minute is where the magic happens. Press harder on the outer contour so it stands out, and keep the inside lines thin and soft. Add a few short strokes for texture, and give the drawing a soft shadow to sit on. And you're done. Well drawn! Want to turn your own photo into a lesson just like this one? Visit howtodrawanything.app. See you at the next drawing.